So, hello folks, a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to whomever been watching in different sort of time period. So, in this update, right, we'll be having a discussion on, Windows 11 24H2 updates. So, we'll be going through different, features, capabilities, and functionalities of this. Then after we'll be getting the latest, updates and recommended action items that we need to implement in our, you know, Windows 11. So to enable this feature, right, to enable this AI governed um, capabilities, we need to get an updates. So that's where we are, analyzing the things, and that's where we actually need to know. So let us proceed further to discuss on this. So availability and rollout. So when we discuss about the availability and rollout session, so Microsoft has enabled two eligibility criteria and phased approaches. So what are those? We'll be having a discussion as well. So when we discuss about the eligibility, right, so Windows 11 version 24H2, okay, so it is gradually, or is it is being available, okay, or you can even say it is going to roll out, okay, on the devices which are running basically in the Windows 10, okay, version 24.h2, and also in Windows 11, 24 dot Windows 22.h2 and 23.h2, okay. So phased approach, when we discuss about the phased approach of this rollout, the rollout, okay, usually going to occur in phase wise, okay, so ensuring a smooth onboard in the appearances that users cannot face site availability or site down availability, okay, or we can even occur 403 forbidden user do not have access. So to eradicate this kind of errors, they have been implemented a phase wise approach to the available user, okay, to for a smooth operation, okay. So then after checking for updates, so what actually what sort of things we need to check for the updates? One is setting, then there is a download and install. So in setting, okay, so we have to go to setting, then after Windows update and click the check, okay, click check for updates, okay. Okay, so in this approach we can go further and check for the updates. Similarly, when we go and download and install, okay, if the update is available, you will be seeing the download installation file, as well as we can directly install the updated version, okay. Then after upgrade option and system requirement, what sort of system requirements needed, and what sort of the points we need to have a discussion, okay. One is automatic updates, then is user control, and third is hardware and requirement, and fourth is resources. So these four availabilities or system requirements will boost, that will enhance the security feature, as well as will enhance the upgradation, okay, in the AI chatbot, okay. So it also has that, okay. So automatic updates, so home and pro edition of Windows 11, okay, that are not managed by IT department will receive an update automatically. Then after user control, user can choose to delay or schedule the update based upon their preference. Then after ensure your PC means the hardware requirement, okay, for Windows 11, such as we can say TPM 2.0, secure bot and compatibility processor. And fourth is resources, adequate click, okay, disk space must and should be available, and a stable internet connectivity must and should be feasible for downloading and installing the updates at the earliest point, okay. So then after key features of 24H2, what are the different key features of 24H2 which is you know been available in Windows 11? His number is AI powered copilot. It is one of the most prominent role player everywhere. Then after system performance, third is app updates and Copilot plus feature. So these are the four most approaches that we can implement, that we can suggest as a key feature for H24 H2. So AI-powered Copilot will enhance the productivity and multitasking activity, improve system performance and efficiency. App updates, okay, like File Explorer, Intersurface, Internet surfing applications, okay, anything like setting apps and other core application, phased introduction to Copilot with features. So this will enhance the capability and capacity of the Windows 11, and it gives a multitask environment with installation of AI. Okay, and last and foremost thing which we are going to discuss is all about the backup recommendation and the upgrade processes. So what are the sort of backward recommendations and upgrade processes? We have to keep an eye on three things usually, folks. What are the three things? One is backup data, backup option, managed devices. So these three options will give a enhanced feature, boosting the robustness of the Windows 11 security as well as the feature capability. Okay, not only Windows 11 but also Windows 10, folks. Okay, so let me end this, and I hope you have enjoyed the session, folks.